Napakainit. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, gagawa ako ng my go-to makeup. And if you know guys me, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup or hindi talaga ako nagme-makeup. Just powder lang and everything. And girls, if you're watching this, please comment down below for any of your suggestions on doing your makeup. The whole makeup thing is, it's not my forte, you know. So yeah, let's see. So, without a further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have breakouts right now. Wala tayong magagawa sa mga ganyan. It's just a part of a teenage eklabo. Anyways, first of all, nakapag-toner na ako sa face. I also tied my hair up. What's next is, I'm gonna put our primer. We're gonna use the Revlon Photo Ready para ma-reduce ang ating pores. I'm gonna put this sa mga ating, alam nyo naman, lagi naman dito sa cheeks, may mga pores. Andyan talaga madalas yung mga pores natin. Good thing na lang na straight to the camera lang yung mirror, so I don't have to change angle para makikita nyo. You know what I like about this primer is, nakakapag-blur talaga siya ng pores. Ayan, tapos na ako sa primer ko. And what's next is foundation. The usual na ginagamit ko is this Integrate Gracie. Just a BB foundation or a BB cream. Usually, ginaganyan ko muna siya. Ayan, tap. And ayan, blend na siya using my sponge. Wala, ganito lang talaga ako mag-makeup eh. Ayan, so medyo nakikita nyo pa yung aking breakout sa cheeks. And what we're gonna do is, of course, next to foundation is concealer. And for my concealer, I'm using Revlon Color Stay Concealer in my shade 4 Medium. Yung mga kailangang itagong mga chismis, tago na lang. And I put a little bit on my nose, chin, namaste. Ayan. We're gonna put powder. Lalagay lang tayo sa under eye. Anyways, lagyan na rin pala natin lahat. And syempre, hindi mo na natin gagalawin yung all of the powder in my face. And what's next is, gagawin muna natin yung ating eyebrow. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline Passion Brow Ultra Fluffy. Medyo makapal na yung brow ko. Kaya onti na lang dito sa end. Ayan, so ganyan lang talaga yung brow ko. So what's next is, hindi ako nag-eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put a white, what you call this? Anything white. Kahit yung ginamit ko na BB cream, sobrang konti lang. Lalagay mo lang yan sa eyelids mo. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ewan ko, feeling ko kasi mas buhay yung mata ko pagka ganito. Ayan, yun lang talaga sa eye. Hindi ako nag-eyeshadow or what. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes. Ayan, so I curled my lashes. Then my favorite part, isa to sa gusto ko eh. Minsan kahit powder lang ako, tapos mascara, then okay na ako, I'm ready to go. Powder, mascara, and lippy. Ayun. I'm ready to go kahit ganun lang. Ayan. Gusto ko talaga tong Maybelline Lash Sensational na to kasi talagang binibigyan niya ng volume yung ko. Eyelashes. Mga powder kanina, tatanggalin na natin. Hindi na ako nagko-contour. Go straight with the blush. For the blush, I'm using the V-Face Blush Contour of Maybelline. Alito. Yan. Alam niyo yun, gusto ko yung parang just to add some color sa face. Kumbaga, ito nang i-contour ko eh. Pero puro blush lang yung ginagamit ko. And for our lips, syempre, the last part, Maybelline Baby Lips Glow. Ayan. Ayan, so buburahin ko pa nga siya ng onte. Just to make it just simple, ayan. Ayan na po guys, so tapos na ang ating My Go-To Makeup. I hope you like this guys. So before this video ends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye!